Too many thoughts tonight, too much silence. Rain keeps falling on my skin, while the storm grows deep within. Another night I barely sleep, trying hard these scars to keep. City lights look cold and dead, heavy voices in my head, walking slow through empty streets, lonely shadows at my feet. Nobody knows the pain I hide, still carrying storms inside. I'm drowning in silence, slowly losing my way. Too many dark nights, too much weight every day. Drowning in silence, with nobody around. Smiling outside while falling down. Old train moving through the rain, same hard life, same old pain. Empty pockets, tired soul. Life keeps taking all control. Mama told me don't give in, but this fight lives deep within. Still I hustle through the cold, feeling older than I look. Too much pressure, too much fear, still hearing echoes in my ears. I'm drowning in silence, slowly losing my way. Too many dark nights, too much weight every day. Drowning in silence, with nobody around. Smiling outside while falling down. Sometimes I stare into the night, wondering if I'll be alright. But deep inside, a fire remains, still breathing through the pain. Drowning in silence, in silence. Another night, another fight, still awake. Cold rain falling on the road, still carrying this heavy load. Late shift done, but no peace found. Too much noise inside my mind, street lights shining, tired gold. This hard life is getting old. People laughing somewhere far, while I'm healing broken scars. Nobody sees the pain I hide, still surviving, dead inside. Another heavy night, trying not to lose my mind. This hard life leaves deep scars behind. Another heavy night, still searching for the light. Broken soul, walking through the night. Oh, train keeps moving through the dark. Lonely city, empty heart. Bills keep stacking every day. Still got nothing left to say. Mama praying from afar, wondering where her children are. Still I hustle through the pain, walking slowly in the rain. Too much pressure on my chest, no peace found, no time to rest. Another heavy night, trying not to lose my mind. This hard life leaves deep scars behind. Another heavy night, still searching for the light. Broken soul, walking through the night. Smoke rising to the sky, too exhausted even to cry, but deep inside a fire remains, still breathing through the pain. Another heavy night, but I refuse to fall. Even when this cold world tries to take it all. Another heavy night, still fighting to survive. Lost inside the darkness, but somehow still alive. Still awake, still fighting. Another heavy night. Yeah, trying my best not to break. Another morning feeling low, still got miles of road to go. Heavy eyes and restless soul, trying hard to stay in control. People talk but never see what this hard life did to me. Every smile I force today only keeps the pain away. Too many scars, still burning slow. Too much pressure, nobody knows. Trying not to break while the world passing by, cold wind under empty skies, dreams fading with every year, still surviving through the fear. Mama said, hold your ground, even when life drags you down. Still I fight through every pain, trying not to drown again. Too much darkness in my soul, this hard life took its toll. Trying not to break while the world keeps changing, trying not to fall while my heart keeps aching, trying not to break through these endless days, still walking alone through this heavy rain. Sometimes I stop and close my eyes, thinking about a better life, but reality pulls me back to these lonely railroad tracks. Trying not to break, but I still stand tall, even through storms and painful falls. Trying not to break, still breathing through the pain, broken inside, but alive again. Still standing, still breathing, trying not to break. Rain, Rain keeps falling, nobody outside, just me and these empty streets. Street lights glowing through the rain, another night, another pain, cold wind blowing through my soul, trying hard to stay in control. Empty roads and tired eyes, broken dreams beneath the sky, walking slow with heavy feet, rain on empty streets. Nobody hears the things I hide, still carrying storms inside. Rain on empty streets while my heart skips beats. This hard life never lets me breathe. Rain on empty streets, lonely nights repeat, still chasing peace I never seem to reach. Late night smoke beneath the lights, sleepless thoughts every night. City shadows move so slow, still got nowhere else to go. Mama praying I stay strong, but this road feels way too long. Still I walk through cold defeat. Rain on empty streets, too much pressure, too much pain, still drowning in the rain. Rain on empty streets while my heart skips beats. This hard life never lets me breathe. Rain on empty streets, lonely nights repeat, still chasing peace I never seem to reach. Sometimes I stare into the dark, trying to heal this broken heart, but every road feels incomplete under these empty streets. Rain on empty streets, still surviving silently. Broken soul, but I still believe. Rain on empty streets, still breathing through defeat. Walking alone to this reggae beat. Still walking, still lost. Rain on empty streets. Still away, still away, still thinking. Clock keeps ticking through the night, no peace underneath these lights. Heavy thoughts inside my head, too exhausted for my bed. Rain keeps falling on the glass, thinking about my broken past. Another cigarette burns slow, still got nowhere else to go. Too many scars still remain, too much pressure inside my brain. Still awake at 2 a.m., trying hard to breathe again. This hard life feels colder than before. Still awake at 2 a.m., lost inside the pouring rain. Broken soul, still knocking at heaven's door. Oh, late night train crash through the dark, lonely dogs and empty parks. Dreams fading year by year, still surviving through the fear. Mama told me don't lose hope, but some nights are hard to hold. Still I fight through all this pain, walking slowly in the rain. Too much silence, too much stress, no peace found, no happiness. Still awake at 2 a.m., trying hard to breathe again. This hard life feels colder than before. Still awake at 2 a.m., lost inside the pouring rain. Broken soul, still knocking at heaven's door. Oh, sometimes I close my eyes and pray, hoping pain will fade away. But every night feels just the same, still dancing slowly with the rain. Still awake at 2 a.m., but I'm still alive somehow. Even when this world keeps dragging me down, still awake at 2 a.m., still surviving through the pain.